Hello guys, welcome back with numerical solution. How we can solve the numerical problems. Already we have discussed in one class क्या है ये कैसे आपको numerical problem solve कर सकता है जैसे और आज क्या करेंगे आज करेंगे क्या ये मिरर और लेंस दोनों में कैसे सॉल्व होता है। तो आप देखिए यहाँ में एक तो दिया है एन ऑब्जेक्ट 4.0 सेंटीमीटर इन साइज इज प्लेस्ड एट 25 सेंटीमीटर इन फ्रंट ऑफ कॉनकेव मिरर। क्या मिरर है? कॉनकेव मिरर है ऐसा। तो मान लीजिए ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस एंड इट इज ए focus and it is center of curvature and equal distance. Then an object is 4.0 centimeter in size is placed at what distance? 25 centimeter in front of the mirror. That means that side, left side, in front of the mirror. In what distance keep it? 25 centimeter. Of focal length 15. That means from this distance is the 15 centimeter focal length. And the object is placed 25. If this is the 15, then this is what? Up to C. That is the 30. But keep in 25 centimeter like this. Here is the suppose keeping here. Now see. When the image is formed like this, one comes from the focus and another focus like this. Then what will be? This one will be parallel. At that times, we will see the image will be from the greater distance in the C. Means the image distance should be what? The more than the 30 centimeter. Now we will solve. Is this result is correct or not? Now see हम लोग कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे अभी देख लीजिए सॉल्यूशन। क्या दिया हुआ है? एन ऑब्जेक्ट 4.0 सेंटीमीटर इन साइज, मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज हाइट 4 सेंटीमीटर और ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पे रख दिया? लेफ्ट साइड में या में। तो ये पी का लेफ्ट साइड में क्या आता है? ये P का लेफ्ट साइड में हमेशा क्या आता है? निगेटिव और राइट साइड का पॉजिटिव। तो ये आपका U ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस -25। सेकेंड ये फोकल लेंथ क्या आया? 15 सेंटीमीटर। व्हाट इज द फोकल लेंथ? फोकल लेंथ इज 15 सेंटीमीटर बट द फोकल लेंथ इज हुज? द कॉनकेव मिरर। द कॉनकेव मिरर फोकल लेंथ इज व्हाट? ऑलवेज गिव्स द नेगेटिव। That means the F -15 centimeter. And what is at what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed order to obtain sharp image? ये image sharp clear मिलने के लिए ये ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पर होगा? कहाँ पर पोजीशन होगा ऑब्जेक्ट का? तो इसलिए ये V। तो ऑल्सो फाइंड द नेचर एंड साइज ऑफ द इमेज। ये इमेज का साइज और नेचर क्या आएगा देख लेता। तो वी हैव और वी नो दैट वन मिरर फॉर्मूला व्हाट? दैट इज द 1/V प्लस 1/U is equal to 1/R. It is the mirror formula. Here is given 1/V plus 1/U मतलब -25 is equal to 1/F मतलब -15. Now 1/V plus minus 1/25 is equal to -1/15. Now 1/V is equal minus 1 by 25 in right side by transposing, it becomes to 1 by 25. Then minus 1 by 15. Now see, what is the LCM? 25 and 15, 75. Divide by 25, how many times? That is the 3 times. 3 ones are 3. Minus 15 5 times, then 5 ones are 5. Means minus 2 by 75. Minus 2 by 75, whose value? 1 by V. Therefore, you make reciprocal both. V is equal minus 25 by 2. That means minus 37.5 सेंटीमीटर. ये रहा आपका इमेज फॉर्म होगा. मतलब ये स्क्रीन कहाँ पे रखना पड़ेगा? माइनस 37.5 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स ये इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, 37.5 सेंटीमीटर दूर में रखना पड़ेगा. ये पोजीशन होगा. Therefore, the image will be formed at 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror, in front of the mirror. अभी और नेक्स्ट क्या है? हमको क्या निकालना चाहिए? फाइंड द नेचर. अभी ये भी का वैल्यू क्या आ गया? निगेटिव आ गया. रियल इमेज डिस्टेंस क्या होता है? ये निगेटिव में आता है. मतलब ये नेचर, ये इमेज विल बी फ्रॉम रियल. Image will be from real. And size of the image. And the image will be real and inverted. Real image also inverted. Again, size of the image. We know that m is equal to h dash by height of the image by height of the object is equal to minus image distance by object distance. Implies here is what given? H dash, h is given 4 is equal minus v is what? V is minus 75 by 2. U object distance what? 25. Then minus cancel. Then h dash is equal minus 75 by 2 into 25 into 4. That side into. Now 25 in 75 3 times, 2 times in 4. That means the h dash is equal to 3 minus 3 to 6. मतलब height of the image will be the 6 centimeter. Minus means the image will be from below of the principal axis, inverted. Therefore, the image is from 6 centimeter below of principal axis, below of principal axis. It is the nature, size, and it is the nature. Nature is what? Real and inverted. Okay. Next, we are going to solve another one numerical problems. That is the what? From the lens. Here is given A concave lens has focal length 15 centimeter. What lens? Concave lens. Concave lens means like this. Like this. It is the concave lens. So, the focal length in concave lens, the focal length like this. This one will be refract like this direction. The focal length is this. In which side? That is the in front of the lens, the focal length. So, from the optical center, the focal length is left side. The optical center will be work sharp here as a origin. From the optical center, the right side positive and left side negative. Then the focal length will be what? Negative. Here f is equal negative. What given? Minus 15 centimeter. And at what distance should the object from the lens be placed? लेंस से कितना डिस्टेंस पे ऑब्जेक्ट रखेगा, मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस क्या होंगे? U, so that it forms an image, the object form and the lens form image 10 centimeter from the lens. ये इमेज कहाँ पे होंगे? 10 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस पे. इमेज अभी क्या ये राइट साइड या लेफ्ट साइड में होंगे? ये कॉन्केव लेंस है. कॉन्केव लेंस ऑलवेज फॉर्म द इमेज इन लेफ्ट साइड. मीन्स इन कॉन्केव लेंस all are the negative. Focal length, image distance, object distance all. So therefore V is equal what will be? That is the minus 10. Minus 10 from the lens. Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Now we will be find the what? Find the magnification M. Means what size the image will be formed by the lens. Now already we have discussed about the mirror formula. What? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. But in lens formula there will be 1 minus 1 by V is equal 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal 1 by F. So we know that what? 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now 1 by V, V is what? Minus 10 minus U equal to find minus is equal 1 by F. F means minus 15. Now minus 1 by U is equal minus 1 by 15. Here is what? B is minus. So in that side this one makes the plus 1 by 10 is equal minus 1 by U is equal what will be the LCM? 15 and 10. The LCM will be 30. Makes 30. 15 divide the 30 2 times. 2 into 1 2 minus 2. 3 how much time? 10 3 times. 3 1s are 3. What makes? This makes the 1 by 30. Minus 1 by U is equal minus 1 by 30. Means 1 by U is equal minus 1 by 30. Or U is equal inverse minus 30. Means इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पे? U मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस. ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ पे रहना पड़ेगा? ऑब्जेक्ट होंगे आपका 30 सेंटीमीटर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द लेंस. Therefore, what is given? The object. Therefore, the object distance is 30 centimeter in front of the lens. In front of the lens. Now, what is the magnification? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Magnification. Now, magnification. Magnification means minus m v by u. Here magnification v by u. For the lens, no need to put here negative sign. What? The m is equal v by u. Now, implies m is equal, b means what? B means minus 10. U means minus 30. Cancel 1/3. Magnification is 1/3. Means the image will be from 1/3 of the object. Therefore, the image will be from 1/3 of the ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट का 1/3 होंगे. ऑब्जेक्ट 6 होगा तो ये 1/3 2 होंगे. मीन्स 0.33 ऐसा रहेगा. ये रहेगा आपका ऑब्जेक्ट इमेज का साइज. इमेज का साइज क्या? 1/3 ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. এতিয়া a 2.0 centimeter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length is 10. What lens? Convex lens. ये रहा आपका convex lens. तो ये कैसे होंगे? ये आपका ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, ये F1 F2. इसका फोकल लेंथ क्या दिया? फोकल लेंथ है 10. तो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस मतलब फोकल लेंथ क्या आएगा? ये 10 पॉजिटिव आएगा. हियर फोकल लेंथ इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. नेक्स्ट, perpendicular principal of the axis convex lens of focal length 10. The distance of the object from the lens is 15. The object distance will be the 15 like this. Object always keep in front of the lens, not the back side. So the object should be keep the left side of the optical center. Means object distance becomes negative always for lens and mirror. Keep in mind. Find the nature and position. Position means where will be the image form. Nature is real or virtual, inverted, erect like this. And the position where will be the image form. Now what? It is a lens. Yes? So we have the lens relation. We have lens relation 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal 1 by F. Then 1 by V minus 1 by U means minus 15. 1 by F means plus 10. So 1 by V minus minus plus 1 by 15 is equal 1 by 10. Therefore 1 by V is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 15 in goes to right side, then makes the minus. Now see 1 by V. What is the LCM? 10 and 15. The LCM is the 30. When 30 divided by 10 becomes the 3. 3 ones are 3. minus 15 divided by 30 divided by 15, then 2. 2 ones are 2. Means what comes? 1 by 30. 1 by b is equal to 1 by 30. Therefore, b is equal 30 centimeter. Means the image will be from where? The 30 centimeter back side of the lens. And what is the position? Position is 30 centimeter. Nature of the image. Nature means since the b becomes to the positive, therefore the image will be the real and inverted. Therefore, okay, since b is positive, therefore the real and inverted image will be real and inverted image will be formed at 30 centimeter behind the lens, back side, other side of the mirror, other side of the object. The image position is what? The image will be from where? The 30 centimeter in back side of the lens. Okay. Again, find the nature. Nature is the what? The image will be real and inverted. And position, what distance? 30 centimeter distance. And size, the image size. Again, image size, m is equal h dash by h is equal to b by u for lens. Implies h dash, h means 2 centimeter height of the object is equal to v. V means what? 30 plus the u means what? U is the minus 15. So it is minus 2. Therefore, what? 2 into minus 2, the 4, minus 4 centimeter. Means the image will be the real inverted, and what size? The 4 centimeter will be the form below the principal axis. That is the what? And again find the magnification. Now magnification. Very simple. Magnification V by U. V is what? 30. U is what? Minus 15. This raha minus 2. Magnification minus 2 means the image is from twice of the object, that is minus 4 centimeter. Minus means that is the inverted image is formed. Okay, did you understand? Now another more problem that is given. an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. Again come for convex mirror. What is the convex mirror? Like this. The focus will be right side of the pole. Okay? And an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter of convex mirror. Suppose here is a 10 centimeter in front of the convex mirror. Then the will be reflect and focus. The place at what distance? 10 centimeter. That means here the U is what? Minus 10. The object will be keep in front of the mirror. And of focal length is 15. The convex mirror focal length is what? Negative or positive? Always positive. Means focal length plus 15. Find the position and nature of the image. Position means image position. Where will be the image form? So, we know that 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by R. ये रहा आपका मिरर फॉर्मूला. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 15. 1 by 15. Now 1 by V, 1 by 15 in right side it becomes to plus 1 by 10. Now 1 by V LCM 15 and 10 LCM 30. 15 in 30 2 times, 2 1s are 2. 10 in 30 3 times, 3 1s are 3. Means 5 by 30 cancel by 5, 1 by 6. But 1 by V is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, V is equal to 6. Means the image will be formed at 6 centimeter distance behind the mirror. And since the V is positive, means the image will be the partial in mirror. Since the V is पॉजिटिव इन मिरर V पॉजिटिव होने से ये इमेज आपका क्या होता है, ये पार्शियल होता है. और लेंस में V पॉजिटिव होने से आपका रियल होता है. सिंस द V इज पॉजिटिव देयरफॉर द रियल एंड inverted image is formed at 6 centimeter behind the mirror. Okay, thank you.